Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi A6. First, it's important to confirm if your specific Audi A6 model features launch control, as not all variants are equipped with this performance function. Before attempting any launch, always ensure your engine has reached its optimal operating temperature. Additionally, for safety, always perform this maneuver in a controlled, open environment, far from other vehicles or pedestrians. This ensures a safe and exhilarating experience. Now, let's prepare your Audi A6 for launch. Begin by selecting the dynamic driving mode through your Audi Drive Select system. This optimizes engine and transmission response. Next, shift your gear selector into Sport or S mode. Finally, give the electronic stability control button a quick single press. This will put the system into a sportier setting, allowing for maximum acceleration while still providing some safety net. With your settings ready, it's time for the launch. First, bring your Audi A6 to a complete standstill, ensuring the steering wheel is straight. Next, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down with your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You'll notice the engine revs climb and hold steady, typically around 3,000 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. Within about 5 seconds, quickly release the brake pedal and hold the accelerator down to experience the full launch. After experiencing the thrill of an Audi A6 launch, it's important to consider a few things. Allow your vehicle's engine and transmission to cool down for a few minutes before another spirited drive. While exciting, frequent use of launch control can put significant stress on your drivetrain components, so use it sparingly to maintain your car's longevity. Most importantly, always prioritize safety and ensure you are driving responsibly and within legal limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.